Catback. Thanks for tuning in again. We are finally back with another video. I know I've been slacking a little bit lately, but the world is slowly ending out here. We're flooding everywhere. Out of gas, out of food, out of everything in the grocery stores. Similar to like when COVID started, where everybody went crazy. So I don't know if you can hear it, but the rain is still coming down like crazy out there. So here we are huddled up in the garage. And I'm just going to go over a little video that I get a lot of questions about still. And what that is, believe it or not, is the little pony. If you unlock your car, you can see you get the little horse lights up on the ground, also on the passenger side. And if you have the GT500, it is now the Cobra that pops up there instead of the horse. But a lot of people in videos that happen to see it and in person are all walking over, and you know, they got their foot going like this all over the place. They're trying to figure out where it comes from. And it's a little bit deceiving. I can see why some people don't understand where it is because it looks so big. But where it is actually coming from is your mirror. You can see, you put your hand under there, it comes out from right here. And it just has the little horse behind the light, projects it down, and you get the big pony on the floor. So a lot of people just wanted to know where it came from. And I also know a lot of people have issues with it being all blurry and stuff. So if you have a Mustang, I know this has been out for a while now, it's not really something new, but like I said, when you unlock the car, you can see it comes up on the ground. And mine, you can still see, is very defined still. All the lines around, it looks like it's supposed to. Not always the case, and this has happened to mine as well. So this is one way you can fix it. Once in a while, especially when it's cold during the night, warm during the day, you get a lot of moisture. The horse will actually look like it's all fuzzy. It doesn't look, you can still tell it's obviously the pony there, but it's not crisp like mine is showing. Get it back on there again. You can see, still pretty crisp. All I did when it was a little bit off, and what I mean by moisture, is if you come under here where the light is, like everything Ford makes, it is not a very tight fit. It wobbles around. So what I did, just wipe the lens off here. You can see it'll light up my finger when I put it in there. You either have a little bit of moisture on here or just jumble it around. If you happen to have moisture on the inside, sometimes that is enough to make it just kind of either drip out of the way or just clear it up. And as you could see on the floor, mine went right back to normal right away. So I didn't have any issues that I had to deal with other than just wiggling it around a little bit. And option number two, if that doesn't work, chances are, you know, this is a light bulb only. It can either one, burn out, two, get dull, or three, if something happens to be in here, or like I said, moisture or something is getting in there, you can't get it out. You can actually order these either from Ford. I know CJ Pony Parts has them. And obviously they come in pairs, passenger and driver side. Really easy to come out. You can see it's kind of like an oval with a little nub there on the end. You can actually, see if I can do this with one hand. You can even pull it out just with your fingernail. Get your nail in there, pull down. I'm not going to pop it all the way out because obviously I'm not changing them. But you can see, as long as you can get that out, pop it out. Like everything, just one little wire. Unplug the harness, plug the new one back in, pop them in. It'll clip in just like normal, and you should be good to go. Other thing to look for, I don't know if you guys can pick it up in the video, there's a tiny little hole right here, a little slit. That is to let any water that might get in around your side mirror there to drain out the bottom. So if by chance you might have something stuck in there, then it's obviously, it could affect this as well. So just make sure that stays clean. It is just a little slice. If you got junk or something in there, get a little screwdriver, just poke around, wash it out. Maybe spray the hose or something in from this end just to blast all the gunk out. And you should hopefully be able to solve your problem. So that is pretty much the rundown of what you got to do if you have issues with your light. Other questions some people have asked me is, can you change the color? But you can see the light is only from a little tiny square about yay big. So I haven't found any aftermarket ones that are actually a different color or that can change, but I'm sure if you get a tint, maybe you can get a colored tint, and you got a little bit of time, just put some tint under there. All you need is, like I said, probably a little, not even 1 inch square, maybe a 1/2 inch square of whatever color vinyl you want to put on there. And when the light shines through, it should make it whatever color you have. So that's the only way I could see about going that part. Other than that, if you happen to know a place where you can get aftermarket ones that are maybe different colors, let me know in the comments. And there you go, guys. Just a quick little rundown. Like I said, I've had a lot of questions from people in person and people that are looking to purchase the car and just people that have noticed it in the videos. How it all works. A lot of people, like I said, it's been around for a while now. Ponies are getting used up, they're getting older, light bulbs are burning out, things are going fuzzy, so people just ask, is there a way to fix it? Like I said, just bang it around. If that doesn't work, you can order new ones, and it's a 5-minute swap out, unplug one, plug the new one in, and you should be back up and running in no time. So hopefully this helped you out. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, share the video, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.